Good morning, students. Already we have started chapter 3 and I taught you two methods, substitution and elimination method to get x and y. Now here are some word problems based on the topic. Okay, so how you are going to frame the equation, and any method you can use to get x and y. Better you use elimination method, that is much more easier and most used method. So here are some word problems. First is this, which are commonly asked in CBSE board exam. So these are actually any problem can come, but you will get the idea how you are going to frame the equation. So first problem is, taxi fare consists of a constant charge together with the charge for the distance covered. A person traveling 15 km pays rupees 115 for the journey, and a person traveling 27 km pays rupees 199 for it. Find the charges one will have to pay for a journey of 50 km. Means if you are going by a taxi, one fixed charge, constant charge, so he will be taking with you together with the charge for the distance covered. Okay, so let the fixed charge he will take, it is rupees x, and the charge per kilometer taken by him, it is rupees y. Okay, two kind of charges are there. Taxi fare consists of a constant charge together with the charge for the distance covered, how much distance you are covering. So see, a person traveling 15 km pays rupees 115. If you are going to a point which is 15 km away, so you need to give the fixed charge, that is your rupees x, and you are covering how much distance? Suppose 15 km. The per kilometer charge is rupees y. So for 15 km, how much you are going to pay? 15 into y. So 15 into y. Total how much you are giving? 115. This is your equation number 1. Second, okay, for the journey. And a person traveling 27 km pays rupees 199. So you are going at 27 km, you have to pay, means fixed charge you are supposed to give. Fixed charge is x. Now you are covering how much distance? 27. So 1 km charge is what? Y. For 27 km you need to pay how much? 27 into y. And you are paying how much total? 199. This is your second equation. Okay. Now, which is the use method? Elimination. To eliminate x, it is very easy. I will subtract second equation from first. Change minus. Okay. This will be cancelling out. 27 minus 15, you know. What is yours? This is 12y. Okay. Equal, what is your minus here? 9 minus 5, 4. Yes. Okay, 9 minus 8, 84, and negative is bigger, so negative sign is there. Cancel out. This is y equal 12, 7 ja. So y is what your? Y is rupees 7. Put y in any equation. Suppose I am putting in first equation, so it is what your? X plus 15 into what your? 7 is equal 115. So x will be what your? 115 minus 15, 7 ja, 105. So x is equal to what is your? Rupees 10. Okay, this is you got, means fixed charge. Anywhere you are going to, he will take your rupees 10, and per kilometer charge is rupees 7. But one more point is asked, to find the charges one will have to pay for a journey of 50 km. If you are going away 50 km, your equation will be, you need to pay how much? Fixed charge plus 50 km and per kilometer charge. So fixed charge is 10 rupees plus 50 into per kilometer charge is 7. So it will be what your? 10 plus 350, it is rupees 360 you need to give in total. That is your answer. I think a good question it is. So you might have understood how we are going to take the question, word problem. Another question I am giving you. Another question is also most common, that is, the tens digit of a number is twice the unit digit. Means I need to take x and y 2. Let the unit digit, 2-digit number is consisting what? That your unit digit and tens digit. Let the unit digit is what your? X. Let the tens place digit is what your? So what that? Let unit digit be x, and let tens place digit be y. Okay. The tens digit of a number is twice a unit digit. Means tens digit is equal to twice the unit digit, y equal to x. Okay, the number obtained on interchanging the digit is 36 less than the original number. So number is what? This is only digit I told you. What will be the number? Number will be in expanded form as you write now. Suppose any number is 25. So number I am taking, what is your number? How I write number? I write, this is ones place, this is tens place. You write 2 into 10 plus ones place 5 into 1. Okay, you multiply with that place. 2 into 10. So number will be what? You have taken this one. So you will be taking 10 into y. 10 into y plus x into 1. Unit place. Your 1 value is 1. So x into 1. This is your original number. This is your original number. Okay. Got this? 10y plus x. This is your original number. Now listen the language again. The number obtained on interchanging the digit. Interchanging the digit means what? That you are interchanging the digits. The digits means your yx was there, so it will be your xy now. Means this is ones and this is tens place, so it will be what? Your 10x plus y. Digits will be interchange. Y की जगह x आ जाएगा, x की जगह y. Okay, interchanging the digit. Now read the language again. The number obtained on interchanging the digit is 36 less than the original number. So this number which I got, 10x plus y, it is 36 less than the original number. Original number was this one, 10y plus x minus 36. That is, I need to solve it. So I will be doing what? That your 10x plus x will go here minus x plus y. 10y will go here minus 10y is equal to minus 36. 10x minus x, 9x, and this one minus 9y is equal minus 36. You can see 9 is common in the throughout the equation. So it will be 9x minus y is equal to minus 36. You can cancel it here. 9 4 is 36. So your equation will be x minus y equal minus 4. And already I am having equation first, y equal to x. You can directly substitute. Now no need to elimination because directly I am having value of y 2x. So you can put here x, what? That your x minus 2x is equal minus 4. So it will become what? That your minus x equal minus 4. So you got x equal 4. And what is y? Put here x equal 4. So y will be what? Your y equal 8. So number is what? Your yx. So number will be what? Your required number will be yx means 84. Here this answer. This is your second. Now one more problem I will be telling you, this one. Okay, now solving part I will leaving for you, only the equation hint I will be giving you. Okay, so another problem is 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So what are their present ages? What are their present ages? So let Jacob's present age, I need to take what? Present, today's age, present age be x years. Okay, and son's present age, let it be what? Your y years. Okay, that is your y years. Now 5 years hence, मतलब आगे 5 साल आगे, what is it? So 5 years hence, Jacob's age will be what? Your Jacob's age will be x plus 5, and son's age obviously, and son's age will be y plus 5. 5 years will be added. Now what is that here? 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So Jacob's age will be 3 times of son's age, y plus 5. You need to solve this one. X plus 5 equal 3y plus 5. 3 is 15. So it will be x minus 3y. 15 minus 5, 10. This is your first equation. Got or not? Now what is one more relation is there? Pair of linear equation. 2 equation. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 5 years ago what will be the age? 5 years ago Jacob's age will be what? Your 5 years ago means x minus 5, and son's age will be what? Your son's age will be y minus 5. 5 years ago, and relation given what? That your Jacob's age was 7 times of his son. So Jacob's age x minus 5 will be 7 times of his son, y minus 5. So what is your x minus 5 equals 7y minus 35? And you will be doing what that? Solve it. X minus 7y transpose here, and it will be minus 35 plus 5. So what is your x minus 7y equal minus 30? That is your second equation. Now two equations are there. You can use the elimination method and you will be getting what that answer of this question. X and y you will be getting. That I am leaving for you. Solve it. Okay. One more question is interesting question that I am taking first. A and B are 2 points 150 km apart on a highway. Okay, A and B are 2 points on a highway. This is suppose A and this is your B points, and total distance between them is 150 km. Okay, a car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If they move in the same direction, they meet in 15 hours. But if they move in opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. So if they move in first case first is if they move in same direction. First let me assume what is x and y. What is you need to find their speeds. So let speed of car A is what yours, x km per hour, and speed of car B. Okay, car B means you say first car, and B, that is your y km per hour. Okay, that is your, you can say a car start from point A, that I am saying car A, that is your point. Car start from B, I said car B, speed is this one. Okay, and if they start same direction, case first is what that your in same direction they start. Let them meet, it starts from here and they meet at any point D. Okay, so what you are going to get, that AD distance AD minus BD is equal to 150 km. Okay, and relation you know what, that your speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, now you say A and B are 2 points 150 km apart on a highway. A car starts from A and another starts from B at the same time. If they move in the same direction, they meet in 15 hours. So this distance AD, what that your, they meet in 15 hours. So what will be the distance? Distance will be speed into time. So A's speed is what your x, and time it is taking 15 hours. So what that your distance will be what your 15 into x. So AD will be your 15 into x minus this one, meeting in 15 hours means B's speed is what your y, and time is 15 hours. So it will be 15y is equal to 150. So you take out common 15, it will be your x minus y equal 150. You can divide, take it down, or directly you can cut it 10. So first equation is y minus equal 10. This is your first equation. Second case, they meet what that your, if they move in the same direction. Case second is what that your, this is AB. Okay, second case is what that your, if they move in the same direction, they meet in 15 hours. This we have taken. But if they move in opposite direction, means it is here and this is here. Suppose they meet here any point E. Okay, opposite direction. First was the same direction, now it is opposite direction. Suppose they point E. So now equation will be what here, AE plus EB is equal to 150 km, because distance was this. Now AE's distance is what? Speed into time. Speed is of first car is x, and time they meet in 1 hour. So time is 1 hour. 1 into x is what your x. 1 into x and 1 into y is equal to 150. So the second equation is x plus y equal 150. So this is your second equation. You can utilize very easily. X minus y was what, 10. You can add both the equation. Add here 2x. This will be cancelling out. 160. X will be what your 80 km per hour. And put here x. So y will be what your 150 minus 80 will be 70 km per hour. Solve these all. Practice a lot word problems. Generally comes in board. Thank you, students.